been all over the country, and this airplane comes from Newmarket, Virginia.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is really a dichotomy. I want you to watch the Curtis Busher, and coming up next will be an FA-18 Hornet. And what a difference in naval aviation, but that's why we're here today, celebrating the centennial.
So he figured if you're going to turn, why don't you lean into the turn? So that's what he did. He built a shoulder yoke, which actually moved the ailerons. The rudder was used the control wheel, and ailerons were the lateral movement of the control wheel.
Stability of the airplane, is it relatively unstable, or is it a pretty stable airplane?
It's pretty terrible airplane to fly, from what I understand. It takes off about 35 to 40 knots, tops out about 60.